So see here, this particular topic comes under financial statement chapter 8. Okay? As I told you, you will be getting 1 mark 1 question and 2 mark 1 question, 6 mark 1 and practical oriented optional. Okay, exactly I can't tell, but it will be optional. So under financial statement, you are required to prepare a balance sheet. Okay, vertical balance sheet, when it is given as per schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013, it means that you need to prepare balance sheet vertically this way. Okay, normally hope you remember we have done balance sheet liabilities amount, asset amount, right? We used to write like this, that is horizontal way. Now here we have to prepare as per the schedule 3, we will prepare balance sheet. You will be having 5 main headings in this balance sheet. Understood? First one is liability. Under liabilities, 3 headings are there. This you can follow for comparative and common size also. Understood? Then total of liabilities. Then next you have is assets. That is second main heading. Under that we have 2 types of assets. Book. You also write down. Okay. So we will take total liabilities. Then after that we will write asset, second main heading. Under that we have 2 subheadings, fixed asset, current asset. Okay, this is the 5 headings you will be having. So you can write the same format for this as well as for comparative and common size. Sometimes for comparative and common size they will give in the trial balance format. The question which is given like this, sometimes they will give the entire balance sheet exactly, sometimes they will give in this format. If this format is given to you for comparative and common size, you need to remember this, guys. The only thing you need to remember is the format of balance sheet. Okay? First main heading is this. Then second main heading is we have
assets.
Under that we have 1 heading, number 1, shareholders. Shareholders fund. This is the first subheading. Okay, so now we will go here. See, they have given from the following details. You are required to prepare balance sheet for the year ended 31st March 2018 as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Done? Schedule 3 vertical balance sheet. They will ask you as the following: Schedule 3 vertical balance sheet, Companies Act 2013. So 2 1 mark questions are here. Right? Schedule 3 vertical balance sheet and Companies Act was passed in the year 2013. And there are so many questions you can frame this particular thing. First thing is they are given shareholders fund. So we will see what are the things which comes under shareholders fund. First item is equity share capital. The next item we have is preference share capital. The next we have is general reserve. These are the items, 3 items which will be coming under that heading. So first we will write subheading 1, share capital, general reserve, preference share. So what is the amount they have given? And this is note number. Note number is given. There we write inner column and outer column in the horizontal balance sheet. Here note number is given. Okay. So note number is nothing but the share capital. We will open a separate account we will do all the calculations. In a year, whatever happened, we will do all the calculations, and then the output of that particular account will be written here. So that's why we give this as 1, 2, 3. Actually, this comes under final year BCom. You have one subject called Advanced Accounting. Under that, you will study the schedules. There are around 32 schedules which you need to remember to prepare a balance sheet of a joint stock company. Understood? It is nothing like normally we prepare a ledger account, right? We prepare a ledger account, we take a output of that and we prepare profit and loss account and balance sheet. Like that, in a joint stock company, we prepare schedules. One schedule is for share capital, one schedule is for reserves and surplus, one schedule is for current assets, one schedule is for current liabilities. Like that, we have schedules for everything. Understood? Then we call account, here we call schedules. Done? So, these are the three items. What are the amounts they are given? First one is 16 lakh. The other one is
8 lakh.
General reserve is 6 lakh. 16 lakh, right?
Yes.
16 lakh, 6 lakh and 8 lakh. Correct? Preference shares is how much? 6 lakh.
So
Done?
then you should write it opposite, sir. 8 lakh should go up, 6 lakh should come down.
No, both they have given 6 lakh, right? Yes, ma.
Yeah, yes. Then there it should be 6 lakhs over there. In preference share.
6 lakh and 6 lakh. Done? Over? Then next we have. Is next item what we have, non-current liabilities. So we will see which are the non-current liabilities. Any non-current liabilities given? No. Land and buildings, cash, debentures is given. Debentures comes under fixed liability, non-current liabilities. Okay. So here the next heading 2 is non-current liabilities. Debenture, always remember, debenture comes under non-current liability, 12%. 12% means what, guys? Interest. Rate of interest. They will ask you for 1 mark question. What do you mean by 12%? 12% in 12% debentures. 12% is a interest rate. Here for preference shares, they will ask 10% preference shares will be given here. So they will ask what do you mean by 10%? 10% is rate of dividend. For shares, rate of dividend. For debentures, rate of interest. Clear? So what is the amount they have given, guys? Debentures 12 lakh.
12.
So 12 lakh. Done? Then next, what is the next item? We have current liabilities. This also over. Now current liabilities, 2 liabilities are there. Creditors and provision for taxation. Understood? Provision for taxation. So write down heading 3, current liabilities. Under that you can write, first one is creditors and provision for taxation. Amount is, what is the amount?
350.
Creditors
350.
3,50,000.
250,000.
2,50,000. Now total this.
6 lakh.
6 total from here to here 16 lakh, 12 lakh, 24 plus 6
16.
24 plus 6 30 40 46,000 46 lakh, correct?
Yes, sir.
So total liability is 46
Lakh.
Done, guys?
Next.
So these are the major heading you will be getting in the liability side. First one, you will write first heading as equity and liability. Under that subheading shareholders fund. Under that you can write all this general reserve, share capital, preference shares. The next we have is non-current liabilities. Under that 12% debentures. Third heading is current liabilities. Under that creditors and provision for taxation. If you total it, you are getting 46 lakh. Then we will write asset. Right? This is over, this is over, this is over. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. All the assets are left. We will prepare asset account. So write on next heading. After that you write on after total. The next heading is assets. I'll erase this. Because of shortage of space, I'll erase this. Just to understand the concept, writing is not very important, understanding is very important. Done? Then second main heading you have is assets. So here under that first heading is fixed assets, non-current assets. We generally call it as fixed asset. Okay? So under fixed asset, plant and machinery, land and building. Maximum assets you will get fixed asset is, remember, plant and machinery, land and building, motor car. Okay? We have one more is plant and machinery, land and building, buildings. We have not stock, motor car, computer. All this comes under goodwill, patent, copyright, all this comes under fixed assets. And current asset maximum item, debtors, bills receivable, loans and advances, inventories, outstanding incomes and prepaid expenses. Okay? So, here first we have a land and building and plant and machinery.
Fixed assets.
Land and building and plant and machinery comes under fixed asset. So what is the amount they are given?
26.
8 lakh. Then 26 lakhs over. Then next what they are given? Current. Next heading is current assets. Correct? Current assets. First item they are given is inventories, cash at bank. These are the two items we have, right? Inventories, cash at bank. Amount is 7 lakh.
And 5 lakh.
And this is 5 lakh. Total is right.
12 lakh.
Sir, you add everything it is.
46.
46. Same, it is tallying. Both assets and liabilities it is tallying, guys. Our total liability was 46 lakh and our total asset is 46 lakh. Done? Hope you understood this. The only thing is you need to remember this format. If possible, we will do one thing. I'll erase this complete thing and everything we will do together for this problem. Okay, so that you will understand. Till here you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Shall I erase this? We'll do this problem here. Okay, so that you will understand thoroughly. Because half I am writing here and half. See, very easy problem. Definitely you will get one question in the question paper for 6 marks. Yeah, if possible, I'll make more to one video on this particular problem only by taking other two examples. Okay? So see here again, they have given prepare balance sheet of company as at 31st March 2022 as per Schedule 3 of Companies Act 2013. Okay. So here they have given you particulars and amount. So these are these close first. These are the assets and liabilities they have given. Okay. So first one is they have given shareholders fund. See here, headings are given directly, right? Subheadings are given. First subheading under liabilities, shareholders fund. Second is non-current liabilities. Sometimes they leave problems, easy problems like this. Third heading, we have a see here current liability, only one we have, trade payable, right? And then see here fixed assets separately they have given. Rest remaining three items goes for current assets. Clear? If you know the format, if you know the content properly, you can easily score 6 marks in the. So 4 problems, 4 to 5 problems, just go through and study. One I have done, one is already done, we are doing this. If possible to, you solve it from your side. If possible, I'll make a video and post this, you just watch this. And then and there, make a note of everything. You only can make the questions, guys. Don't depend on faculties, don't depend on any blue book, don't depend on any handbook. You yourself ask questions. Make questions on your own. See here they have asked like shareholders fund. Remember, they may ask you a question. Ask yourself. They may ask question like this: What are the items comes under shareholders fund? They may ask you for two marks, right? So you have to make question. Start asking question to yourself. Start framing question on your own. I will be giving you a limited source of information because we will be having a limited time. You people have enough time, 24 hours, out of which if you remove 8 hours, 16 hours you have. You make your own points. You will get lots of questions, right? And you will be master. You can, whatever question they ask, you can easily write. Because you have imagined if this can be asked. If this can be asked in this way, right? So start asking questions which you never ask to the people. Okay? So this is the question. So you will prepare the balance sheet. So write on balance sheet as at 31st March 2022, right? As per schedule 3. Done? This is the format. This is there in the question only. Okay? You have to write everything till schedule 3. Then after that you will write particulars, note number, then you have this amount. Done? So first item they have given us. First we start with the main heading. What is the main heading? Equity and liabilities. Right? This is the main heading, yes or no? Yes. First main heading over. Then next what we have? Under that we have a subheading. Shareholders. One subheading. Shareholders. This is the first subheading under liabilities. Correct? So, what is the information? They have directly given shareholders fund as
20 lakhs.
20 lakh. No sub items, sub items. Directly they have given shareholders fund. So, directly we will write the amount. Then next, non-current liabilities.
19 lakhs.
Directly they have given no subheadings. So
19 lakh 60,000.
19 lakh 60,000. Done. The next we have is third heading is what? Current
Current liabilities.
liabilities. So under that we have is trade payables and anything else. Only one item we have. So write down trade payable. Amount is 1 lakh
1,20,000.
over, guys. All the item total this. Total this, how much you getting? 40 lakh 20,000?
80,000.
40 lakh 80,000. How come 39? 20 plus 19 plus 1.
20 plus 20,
40 lakh
80,000.
80,000. Yeah, 20 lakh plus 19 lakh 60,000. Okay. So this is 40 lakh over. Till here you have understood, guys? Then next we have is second main heading, assets. Done? Under assets we have only two heading. First one is fixed asset. Fixed asset. Fixed asset is 80,000. Then next we have is heading 2,
Sir, fixed assets is 32 lakhs.
32 lakhs. Okay.
Sir, from where 88,000?
32 lakhs. Done? The next we have is last one, current assets. Under that, there are three items are given. First one is inventories,
Trade receivable.
then trade
Receivable.
receivables,
Cash and cash. Equivalents.
cash and cash,
Equivalents.
amount is inventory is how much?
80,000.
80,000,
3 lakh 20,000.
3 lakh 20,000,
4 lakh 80,000.
4 lakh 80,000. If you total this, how much you are getting? 32 lakh plus 4 lakh, 32 plus 4, 38, 40 lakh 80,000.
40 lakh 80,000.
Done, guys? Over. That's it. Clear? Any doubt?